are supposed to be hating people because of a sin they may be committing, remember, everybody will hate everybody, because none of us can put up our hands and say we are sinless. Can anyone now here put up their hands and say, I am spotless, sinless, I have not sinned? Not one, subhanallah. Not one. Not even myself, because we are human beings. So the reality, we will hate the sin, we will hate the shirk, we will hate the bid'ah, but we will work on the brother or the sister in a way that we will try to help them come out of that shirk, come out of that bid'ah, come out of that sin, for example. But at the same time, remembering that this is a person who has declared the shahada, and I have as well. They may have sinned differently to me, but in the same way I want to be helped. I need them to be helped, and I will try my best to do that, or at least make dua for them.